Hey, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to actually delete the browsing history from your TEMU application on your mobile device. Now, it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is go and open up your TEMU application and sign into the account where you want to delete the browsing history. Now, here we go to the above of our screen where the search bar appears. Here we open up the search bar, and as you can see, I have recently searched for some items. If I press more, here you see all the current items that I was looking for. Now, how to actually delete this? You see a little bin icon in the top right corner. Simply press this bin icon, and as you can see right here, I can use the X icon to delete my search history by pressing on the on the search results that I recently was searching for. Now, from out here you can easily delete all the search history from your TEMU application. Now, it's a very easy process. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.